Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM5 is making a strange noise while preparing meals, it's likely due to a worn or damaged blade. This can happen over time with regular use, especially if the device has been subjected to tough ingredients or has not been maintained properly. If left unrepaired, it could lead to further damage within the machine, potentially resulting in a complete breakdown. To carry out this repair, you will need a set of screwdrivers, a replacement blade, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged before opening the device safely. Carefully remove the base by unscrewing the screws located at the bottom of the machine. Be mindful of any clips that may also need to be released. Once you have access to the interior, locate the blade assembly at the bottom of the mixing bowl. It is usually obvious, but be cautious as it can be sharp. Gently twist and pull to extract the faulty blade from its housing. When replacing it, ensure the new blade is correctly aligned before securing it back in place. Use the appropriate screwdriver, applying moderate force to avoid stripping the screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Make sure to disconnect any wires carefully to avoid damage to adjacent components. After securing the new blade, it's essential to clean any debris from the interior using the soft cloth. Once everything is back in place, reassemble the Thermomix by reversing your earlier steps. Plug the device back in and run a quick test to ensure it operates smoothly without any unusual noises. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check the condition of your blade and clean your Thermomix after each use. Avoid overloading the machine and ensure you follow the manufacturer's guidelines for maintenance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.